So this job is out of a Mercedes SL550, a 2007 model, and it's very obvious one of the problems the customer has is the console wood grain and color do not match the steering wheel. So he wants us to fix that problem as the first, and then we've got several other problems with this job as well. The wood on the steering wheel and the wood on the console are both cracked up pretty badly. Let me zoom in here on the console and see if we can see some of the cracks. Yeah, so see these cracks right in here, over here, and there's a few others also. The steering wheel has got some of the same types of cracks in it. Let me see if I can spot a couple of those. There you go, right there. You can see that in the middle there. So we've got cracked up wood that doesn't match his interior, and obviously old worn out leather on the steering wheel. So we are going to make all of this look not only brand new but also perfectly matching. And after our transformation, we'll come back and take a look. So we've got this interior redone for this Mercedes SL550, the steering wheel and the console bezel. Everything is restored back to factory new to totally match his interior, which neither one of these actually matched it well. So I guess they have been replaced or something at some point in time, but we've redone the wood grain on the steering wheel and the leather, so it looks absolutely gorgeous now. And then of course that console completely refinished with new wood grain, looks amazing. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. You're going to love what you get, we guarantee it.